This quick video is about how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger using your iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open your Messenger app. For example, if you want to restrict this person means just open the contact and click here. Now scroll down to the end and under privacy and support you can see the option restrict. Just click that. That's it. Now that account was restricted. Here you can see the chat was hidden. If you want to view your restricted account means just click your logo and then click on privacy and safety. And here you can see the option restricted account. Just click that. Here you can see your restricted accounts. This is how you can restrict someone on Messenger app using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.